Now rumah dah bersih. Next, I have a house viewing because I'm moving. And I need to bring my iMac. Nak buat reset. So I'm selling that off. And my MacBook Air. To get a new MacBook Pro. Yeah. I'm gonna go get ready and see you guys in a bit. Oversized pants with my FUBU top, sleeveless. Okay, baby, you wanna go out? Let's go. Jump. Oh, very classic. So cute. Maybe this is my studio and that is my bedroom. Because I want to be a studio. This is the sleeping room. Is it neat? It's very dark and cozy. Maybe I put like a bit more dim, 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 dim. So maybe the vibe here is a little bit different than my studio. Woo! Apa lagi? Oh, the machine should be here. Only I don't know my reading tube where I want to put it. Maybe I put in my studio.
But seriously, I actually have a way normal life for a teenage girl. I mean, I get up, I brush my teeth, and I pick out my school clothes.
Nak pergi L of Kuala Lumpur. Sebab sekarang diorang tengah keluarkan flavor masakan Sarawak. In fact, I'm a little bit late, but I'm still coming to check the Sarawakian food there. I don't really have time to wear around board, so I just like did this. So it's really just, it's not even a ponytail. I don't even know what it's called. I think it looks neat and a little bit hotel-ish vibe. And then I put in this cardigan in. So it looks a little bit classy, but a bit chill as well.
Booty bounce. Ladies, booty bounce. Ladies, booty bounce. Ladies, booty bounce. booty bounce like this.